Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money with Coinbase Payouts to your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer money with Coinbase Payouts to your bank, first, log into your Coinbase account. Once you are in, navigate to the Assets tab located on the left side of the screen. Click on your available balance to see your cryptocurrency holdings. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to convert to cash. Click on the Trade button to begin the selling process. Choose the Sell option from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount you will receive. Confirm the sale by clicking on the Sell Now button. After selling, navigate back to the Assets tab. You will see the cash balance in your chosen currency. Click on the Cash Balance option. Select the Withdraw button to transfer the funds. Now, choose the bank account where you want to receive the money. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your account. Ensure that the account information is accurate and up to date. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You will receive a notification once the transaction is processed. Typically, it may take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming transfer. Once the funds are in your bank account, you have successfully completed the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.